Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I'm going to show you the recipe of a cake in a mug, but this time with a little twist. Let's say a twist of lime. I'm going to show you the recipe of a lemon and thyme cake in the mug. It is not only light and fluffy and lemony, but it is yummilicious and it takes just 3 minutes in the microwave. So I got it made right here. I already ate half of it, but let me show you what it looks like. Can you see that? Can you see that? Light, fluffy, lemony. Here's my taste test. Oh my gosh, just look at that. Oh my god. If you're one of those that likes lime, go for it. So, sorry, let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So let's get straight into the recipe. We begin with 3 tablespoons of coconut flour. Obviously, you are taking a microwave safe mug. That's the mug. I'm going to make it all inside the same. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. In that goes now 1 tablespoon of a sweetener of your choice. 1 tablespoon of a flavourless oil. I used MCT oil. If you don't have that, you can use maybe extra virgin olive oil. 1 tablespoon of water. 1 tablespoon of any kind of cream, single cream, double cream, heavy whipping cream. 1 egg, and that goes straight into the mug. The juice of 1 lemon, in that goes. I had a small lemon, so you see accordingly. And now this is about half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, to how lemony you want it. Now just a little bit sprinkle of thyme. Oh gosh, I'm really excited to show you this recipe. It is so amazing. Give it all a good stir. And when I say a good stir, I really mean it. It has, the coconut flour might get stuck at the bottom. Just give it a nice good stir. And while I'm stirring, please do subscribe to my channel and do press the bell for all my future videos, and also on Instagram. I'm at recipes low carb keto. Join me there always for the written recipes. 3 minutes in the microwave, and here we have it. Light, fluffy. It is smelling divine. Just look at that. Just plopped out. And now I'm going to put some lemon zest on top. I'm showing you what it looks like from the inside. Oh, this is, if you like lemon, I don't know why we've been making all different kinds in the oven. This is absolutely amazing. Thank you for watching. Bye then.